Hi friends, today we are going to see the market analysis for tomorrow, which means 13th of January 2021. Now this is a hourly chart of Nifty, and hence you can clearly see on the chart that it is making higher tops and higher bottoms and it is moving ahead. Market started today with a red candle and then marched ahead and made a new high up approximately 14,590. As long as the higher high and higher low structure of the market is intact, the strategy for buying would be buy on dips of the market. In all the time frames, I would also like to show you that in all market is at all time high, and hence in all the time frame it is in uptrend. So you can take a breakout trades in this particular market, because the breakout trades, as the direction of the market is up, the breakout trades would be better. The chances of the sustaining the breakout trades are more. So we are suggesting the breakout strategies. You should also know that for which market conditions which strategies should be applied. Now I have drawn a horizontal support lines on hourly chart of Nifty, and the next support, the immediate support for the Nifty would be 14,501 and the next support would be 14,404. So if at all you find, I would like to show you one more thing, that the chart of CNX Finance Limited, or which is called as a Nifty Financial Services. This is a hourly chart of a Nifty Financial Services, which has also made a all time high and is outperforming sector like the market. So as I told in yesterday's video, that you should only be doing investments or delivery based trading in the stocks in outperforming sector. So based on this only, we have chosen the today's stocks for you. I will be recommending only one stock today, but before going to today's stock, let us first analyze about the stock of yesterday's, what we have recommended, yesterday's stocks. So let us start with the Cipla first. This is a daily chart of a Cipla, and we have recommended you that you try to catch the Cipla near 840 and maintain a stop loss of 832 for a target of 873. Now if you see today's candle of Cipla, that Cipla made a high the low of 841, and we have recommended that you can buy near 840. So it came near to that 840 level, which was the previous resistance I have shown you yesterday. This was somewhat a previous resistance, and it came to that particular level today and made a low and again went up. Now as it is a red candle, people might be feeling that it can the bears are in control, and it is very important that you should check the volume on this candle. So if you see the volume today, the volume was below average. So you can trade this particular stock with the stop loss below this candle, and the target is already given as 873. All the other stocks like say Tata Consumption also, we have suggested that it is good buy near 616. So it was a red candle today and made a low of 620 and again closed at 624. So here also the volume was above average volume. Now you can continue with the stock to hold the stock, and or if at all you have bought, you have to maintain the stop loss below the low's candle low. So this is the candle, breakout candle. Below the low of the candle you should place your stop loss. Infosys did not came down to that extent and it closed at 1371. Similarly was the case with the HCL Tech. HCL Tech also came only up to 1038 and again closed above at 1062. Now this is because we have chosen the stocks from outperforming sectors. Now today's recommendation, what we are suggesting is the HDFC Bank. Now I have made a detailed analysis for you of the HDFC Bank. The first and foremost thing I would like to show you about the chart is that it came out of the resistance today. The previous resistance was approximately at the levels of 1464 levels, and today it gave a breakout and closed at 1481. Now if I check the volume of breakout, it was above average volume. The black line what you see over here is the 20 period volume 20-day volume average line, and the volume today was above this line. It suggests that it is above the breakout could sustain as the volume is great. The stock was trading from the in the trading range from 1365 to 1464, and today it gave a breakout. So naturally we can trade this stock for a target of this range from the breakout point, and which comes out to be 1565. So you can buy this stock by maintaining a stop loss of today's candle low, which we call it as initial stop loss, and a target price of 1565. I would also like to tell you over here that the stock will not move directly to 1565, and hence you should have a patience, or you should try to keep the patience while it moves to your target. Now I would like to show you how normally the stocks move to achieve your target, and why people don't wait, or why the people get afraid or don't get the money in the market is because of the mindset. Now people expect the stock to move to their target in such a fashion. I would like to show you just by drawing a line. Just a moment. Say for instance I have to draw a line, and people expect a stock to move to their target in such a manner that it will continuously go up and hit your target, but it will never happen. This is because the stock never moves in this way. The stock will always and always to your target in a zigzag manner, such as say for instance in this manner. It will always move in this way. Just a moment. Towards your target, and that is, see how it moves. It will first move, make some, then again move up, then again come down, and then it will achieve your target. But what is target in such a fashion? People, once they see the stock coming down, they look at their profits and then they exit from the stock, and eventually in few days they see that their target is reached. So the first and foremost thing in stock market, have a patience while if you are to make money in the stock market. Now I have written over here that this is a initial stop loss. Now whenever such kind of a structure happens, what you have to do is that you have to trail your stop loss, or you have to trail your stop in such a fashion that, suppose if the stock moves higher and makes a low, you have to, what you have to do is you have to put a trailing. Now you have to raise your stop loss to this level, right? Once you raise your stop loss to this level, the chances of losing money would decrease. Then again the stock makes a fresh low over here, and you have to move your stop loss to this level, and finally your target is achieved without hitting a stop loss, and sometimes it may hit your stop loss also. This whatever I have explained to you today is called as a trade management, and it is most important. Many people are unable to make money in the stock market even if they are entering into a very good stock. They are not able to hold the stock because they are not following the process, but they are following the profits. You always see that you buy some certain share which moves to from 100 to 200, and again it comes back to say 170. You get panic and you exit from the stock, and finally the stock achieves your target and you do not make that much amount of money what you expect from it. So my dear friends, in the stock market it is very important that if at all you want to make money, you have to have a patience and follow the process what I have told you. I hope this important thing of trade management will help you to wait in the trade once you take it, so that you could get a maximum profit from the trade what you are doing. I hope this video has given you some certain inputs. If you find our videos to be very informative, I would like to suggest you that please hit the like button, kindly share amongst your friends, and also ask them to subscribe our channel so that we can reach to many people and help them to become financially independent and also do a proper trading. Thank you very much.